Welcome to Drive Cam. Get ready to witness some of the most insane, jaw-dropping feats of driving skill ever caught on camera. This isn't just driving, this is an art form. You'll be holding your breath, gripping your seat, and maybe even questioning the laws of physics. Perfect drifts and impossible stunts. Skills so smooth, they're practically ASMR for car lovers. From millimeter-perfect parallel parking to high-speed maneuvers that defy logic, these drivers are turning the road into their personal stage for precision performance. That was some next-level precision. Which moment impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More incredible driving feats coming soon. See you in the next one.